Hello friends, a hearty welcome to my YouTube channel Engineering Drawing by Dr. M.H. Annaya and myself Professor M.H. Annaya. Friends, in this video, which is number 415, we have got a line which is inclined to both HP and VP, and this is a very important type of questions that is asked in the examination. Let us see what is the question and what it reads. A line AB has its end A touching both A and B. The line AB has two ends. One of the ends is touching both HP and VP. And the front view measures 60 mm, top view measures 70 mm. They have given us the length of the front view, length of the top view, and also they have given us the DEP. DEP means the distance between end projectors. So utilizing this data, we should be able to obtain the true length of the line, the angle made by the line with HP, that is theta, angle made by the line with VP, that is phi, and the distance of the end B from both HP and VP. That is what is asked in today's question in this video. Friends, let us analyze the data given in the question. We have this line AB, the true length is not known, but they have given us the front view A dash B dash, which is equal to 60 mm, and the top view is represented by AB, that is 70 mm, and they have also given us DEP, distance between end projectors, that is given as 40 mm, and one of these ends A is on the line of intersection of VP and HP. That is to say, it lies on the line where the vertical plane and the horizontal plane meet. That is the XY line. So we have this point A here on this. So both in the front view and top view, we will have A dash marked above the XY line, A marked below the XY line. A dash represents the front view of the NDA. A represents the top view of the NDA of the line AB. So, utilizing this data, friends, we should be able to measure the parameters required. Now, friends, let me start the problem by marking this XY line, the line of intersection of VP-HP, and mark VP and HP in this fashion to represent first angle projection. And let us start the or commence the what is called solution by marking this A dash and A. So I have drawn the XY line, friends, and here I am going to mark what is called the front and top views of the NDA, A dash and A. A dash is the front view, A is the top view. And if you write a line through the front, this line will represent the end projector through the end A. And friends, similarly, at a distance of 40 millimeter from this line, we can draw another line on which the end B lies. That is, front view on top the end B lies. Maybe B dash will come somewhere here and B will come here. And this distance, whatever I have marked here, is DEP, the distance between the end projectors, that is given as 40 mm. So friends, I utilize this data. So DEP I have used. Now friends, I have to make use of front view and top view. That is the only data that is remaining. Now friends, we have A dash here. A dash B dash is 60 mm. As I told you before, B dash should lie somewhere here. Now what I do, since I know the length of the front view, taking A dash as center and radius equal to 60 mm, that is the front view length, I just draw an arc to cut this line which is at a distance of 40 millimeter from A dash A. Friends, this will give you the point B dash. And Friends, if we join A dash and B dash, this will represent the front view of the length, and it has got a length of 60 mm. Friends, on the same line, we also know what is AB. AB represents the top view of the line capital AB. So taking A as center and radius equal to 70 mm, that is the length of the top view, I draw another arc to cut this vertical line. Say this is cutting here. Friends, I call this point as B, and AB represents the top view. So write down here top view, and its length is equal to 70 mm. So friends, you have utilized all the data or the information given in the question, and using this figure we should be able to obtain the true length of the line, its inclination, etc. Friends, now we have this B dash, and this is the locus of B also. And here immediately you can obtain the answer for the last part, the distance of the end B from HP and VB. So the distance of this locus from XY will give you distance of B from HP. So you can keep a scale between XY and this locus and find out its length. So I'll just put a tick mark and say this can be found out. On the same lines, if you measure the distance between this XY line and the locus of B in the top view, this will give you distance of B, the end B from VP. Again, this can be found out between these two by keeping a scale. Friends, once you have the front view and top view, it's very easy to obtain the true length, etc. Friends, to obtain the true length, what I do, I take A dash as the center and the length A dash B dash as the radius, and I draw an arc to cut the locus of A here at this point. I call this point as 1. I'll repeat. Taking A dash as center, the front view length as radius, I have drawn an arc, and that arc is cutting the locus of A at this point. Friends, from there I write a vertical line downward to cut the locus of B at this point. Friends, you remember that I have taught in many of the previous videos that B and B1 should lie on the same line. So this is your point B1. And if you join A and B1, friends, this will give you the true length of the line. So this can be measured. We can keep a scale between these two and find out the length. Friends, once you have this true length, you can also measure what is phi, that is the angle made by the line with the vertical plane. You have the true length here, taking A dash as center and this true length as radius. I am going to draw another arc, and this arc will cut or intersect the locus of B at point B1 dash. The line A dash B1 dash represents the true length of the line that can be measured. Remember friends, this length A dash B1 and A B1 and A dash B1 dash will have the same measurement because true length will be same both above the XY line and below it. And friends, now the true length of the line we have found out as AB1 is the true length, A dash B1 dash is the true length, and the angle made by the line with HP and VP, this is the true length line we have got. This angle, if you measure, this will give you theta, that is the angle made by the line with the horizontal plane, and phi is the angle made by the line with the vertical plane. And this part already we have completed. Friends, this is how we solve the problems on projection of lines. Friends, Go through the complete video. And if you like this video, please share this video with all your friends without fail. Have a blessed day, and I thank you very much for watching my video.